Exciting deal alert from softwaretrailers.com. We're happy to announce a lifetime deal to Knorish. For only $89, get lifetime access. If you're seeking for a platform where you can offer your courses, webinars, and subscriptions while also monetizing them, then you should check out Knorish. Knorish is a platform that allows you to create, launch, market, and sell online courses based on your own knowledge and as an extension of your own brand. With configurable pages that can incorporate embedded videos, text, web links, downloads, and everything in between. Provide engaging experiences in every class. You can provide live lectures and webinars, or create cohort programs in which you unlock content at certain intervals and email students drip auto reminders. Knorish makes site development simple by allowing you to create a web page with course pages, landing pages, and blog articles without writing a single line of code. Choose from a number of stunning themes for your website and a customized mobile app to get started. Then drag and drop hundreds of building components, including personalized pictures, text, and video content to create a stunning course website. Knorish also provides sophisticated sales and marketing tools to aid in the growth of your company. Create sales funnels, write blog entries, and distribute promo codes to swiftly spread the news about your company online. Increase conversions by accepting payments from all over the world using numerous processors such as PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, and many more. Accept one-time payments, payment plans, and monthly memberships, all while keeping an eye on your profit on the dashboard. You don't have to spend all of your time and effort only to make an online course. Share your knowledge with the rest of the world instantly and make money with Knorish. Lifetime deal starts at $89 only. Save as much as $250. What are you waiting for? Check out the link below for more details and get lifetime access today at a very affordable price. Take a look at our current software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. Surely, you will find a software solution that suits you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to get our latest software deals and much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.